This video is over topic 45, number 14, calculating probabilities from a table. So here we need to fill in the table. We've got some information. Usually you'll be given the table, but not the totals, so it's helpful to find the totals. But here we have, there are 86 nurses. That's the total of the nurses. So that goes here in the nurse total. 41 doctors. Again, that's the total. That's going to go in the doctor total. Then 70 nurses and 14 doctors are females. So within the female row, 70 nurses and 14 doctors. So the 70 is females, nurses. So this would be female and nurse. The 14 is female and doctor. Now, we can find the rest by doing a little bit of calculation, knowing that these two add up to 86. These two add up to 41. So this is 86 minus 70. So the male nurses, there are 86 nurses altogether, 70 are female. That leaves 16 male nurses. And then the doctors, 41 total, 14 female. Then 41 minus 14 is 27 male doctors. And then we finish this out by knowing that the row, the total on the row is what those add up to. So 70 plus 14, 84 total female staff. And then the male, the numbers in the male row add up to the male total. 16 plus 27 is 43. And then the overall total is the total of the total column, and it's the total of the total row. So 84 plus 43, or 86 plus 41, both of those add up to 127. All right, so the probability of a randomly selected staff person meeting each description. So randomly selected staff person, probability of a male is going to be the male total, which is 43, out of the overall total of 127. So 43 divided by 127 is 0.34. A nurse and male is going to be the intersection of the nurse column and the male row. That group, that's 16 out of the 127. .13 rounded to the nearest 100th. A nurse or male is looking still at the nurse column and the male row, but everything in the nurse column, everything in the male row. So I grab this person. If I can say this person is a nurse, I'm good with that. If I can say this person is a male, I'm good with that. They're included. So that's the 70, 16, and 27. You can add those up. Or you can do the 86 plus the 27. Or you can do the 70 plus the 43. Or you could do the 86 plus the 43, but minus then the 16 that has gotten counted twice. So if you do the 43 that came from 16 plus 27, and the 86 came from 70 plus 16, the 16 got counted twice. Or you could look at this as this is everybody but this group here. So the whole group minus this group. The whole group is 127, and we're subtracting the 14. So 127 minus 14. So, any one of those calculations, as long as you're doing any of those correct calculations, 113 out of 127 is 0.89.